Installation of MOVATIC. Step by step. Ensure the gate operates smoothly and is in good technical condition. Gather all the necessary tools and materials, including the drive, safety accessories, control accessories, rack bars, screws, nuts, and tools. Determine the appropriate mounting height for the sliding gate drive. Typically, the drive is installed about 5 to 10 centimeters above the ground, but the exact height depends on the gate and drive design. Incorrect leveling can lead to issues with the gate's operation. Mount the drive at a height where the drive's gear wheel perfectly aligns with the rack bar on the gate. After installation, test the gate's operation to ensure proper alignment between the drive and the rack bar. Install the limit switches on the gate. These are essential for the safe and correct operation of the automated gate. If the magnet distance is less than 10 millimeters, it may trigger an E7 error during calibration or later operation. Mount the limit switches at the ends of the gate track, where the gate reaches its maximum open and closed positions. Ensure that the correct magnet is placed at the start and end of the gate wing to ensure accurate drive programming. Connect the power cables to the drive following the manufacturer's instructions. This drive operates on 230 volts despite having a 24-volt motor. Connect the photocells and other accessories to the drive's control board. Install the transmitter and receiver photocells at a height of 40 to 60 centimeters from the ground on opposite sides of the gate. Due to the light-sensitive elements of the receiver, it is recommended to install the receiver on the less sunlit side. Connect the power cables to both the transmitter and receiver photocells. Wiring should be connected to the appropriate terminals on the control panel. The signal cable from the receiver photocell to the gate control unit should be connected to terminals FRX1 and GND. Supply 230 volts of power to the drive. Set the limit switches to determine the gate's opening and closing distances. Ensure they are positioned correctly. Black for opening, gray for closing. Test the photocell operation to ensure everything is working properly. Check the receiver's response when the light beam is interrupted by cutting perpendicularly across the optical axis between the transmitter and receiver. Each time, the photocell should switch from standby to alarm mode, indicated by the RX diode turning off. Program the remote controls for up to 35 units. Remote programming. PP for programming, CL for closing, OP for opening, SB for step-by-step, FR for pedestrian gate, and ST for stop. Configure the automatic gate closing function AU feature. In the controller menu, adjust the photocell response type if necessary using F1 BA function. Auto-learning of the drive is a mandatory process, where the drive controller determines the gate's opening and closing directions and selects the appropriate force needed to move the gate safely. The controller display should indicate no calibration values. Start the calibration by placing the gate in any intermediate position and using any programmed remote control until the display shows a closed gate CL message. Despite having backup power, issues may arise that prevent the gate from operating via the drive. In such cases, the manufacturer has provided a mechanism to disconnect the drive from the gate wing, allowing the gate to be moved manually and access to be maintained. Test the gate's operation, ensuring all components are functioning properly and safely. The assembled and activated system can be conveniently operated using radio transmitters, regardless of weather conditions.